Significant changes as communities across the area try to grapple with the spread of Omicron.
The Cook County Department of Public Health is trying to answer some of the biggest questions tonight, and WGN's Shannon Halligan has the story.
I think we're really kind of teetering on the brink of that right now.
Cook County's public health leaders discussed the county's new mitigation order and answered questions about the current COVID-19 surge.
The basic point is that we're trying to keep everybody safe. We're trying to save lives with this added mitigation.
Dr. Rachel Rubin said in Cook County, they're seeing between 10 and 12,000 new cases diagnosed every single day.
And that's enormous. So it's creating enormous strains on our public health operations, but I mean our hospitals and our clinics. And so we needed to do something to try to get people in the best, safest situations as possible.
Cook County's new mitigation order requires everyone over the age of 5 show proof of full vaccination where food or drinks are served or fitness activities. There are some new exceptions, though, including children in sports.
18 years old and younger that are involved in sports-related activities are exempt from that order because we are expecting them to follow the state's all sports guidance from the Illinois State Board of Education.
When asked about the current tally of Omicron cases versus Delta cases in the county, Dr. Rubin said since specimens need to be sequenced, there's a lag in information.
Right now, there's very few specimens being genotyped, but only a very small handful, under 10%, of the positive specimens are being sent on to be further sequenced so you actually know what variant it is.
For those who are not following the county's vaccine mitigation order, the Department of Public Health has an online form where people can report those businesses. Shannon Halligan, WGN.